Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 plus x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and then we got about the s over number 2 with the square root of 1 plus s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I need to put number 2 go to the left. That is about 2 du or equals to the s over the square root of 1 plus s. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of 1 plus s we change by 2 du. I will put number 2 in here. The integration of sine u, you got about cosine u with the negative. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.